In this video, we're going to download PSPP, a free statistical analysis software package to this computer. Before downloading any software, it's important to determine if the computer is a 32-bit or 64-bit machine. In order to determine if the computer is 32-bit or 64-bit, here is how we proceed. In Microsoft Windows, we begin by clicking the Start button and on the pop-up menu, the Control panel. In the Control panel, click on the System and Security choice. In the System and Security window, go down to the System choice and click on View Amount of RAM and Processor Speed. Notice that here, this system type is a 32-bit operating system. That will be an important consideration when we download PSPP. For those of you running Apple's OS X operating system, there are probably comparable procedures for finding if your machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. I recommend you consult their help screens or an owner's manual. Having determined that this computer is a 32-bit machine, let's find PSPP and download it. Perhaps the easiest way to do this is to Google PSPP, click the search icon, and the first choice is PSPP, the new project, the Free Software Foundation. If we click on this link, we're brought to the new operating system page, and among the choices on this page, we have PSPP Home, we have Download, a quick tour, the frequently asked questions, and documentation. Let's click Download and see what happens. Okay, we're told here we can obtain new PSPP. Scroll down through the binary section and come to the operating system that you run on your computer. Since we run MS or Microsoft Windows, if we click on another Windows version, we now see the choices to download PSPP to a computer running Microsoft Windows. Now, the latest version is presented first. Here we have PSPP 0.8.4, September 30th, 32 bits. Notice it says that this download will work on both the 32 and 64 bits MS Windows operating systems. If you have a 64-bit machine, then you can download the PSPP 0.8.4 64 bits program. Notice it will work only on a 64-bit machine. Since this is a 32-bit, I'm going to download it to this computer by clicking on this first choice. The subsequent screens may take some time, but eventually we will be led to the installation of the program. We're opening PSPP 0.8.4, etc. We're going to save the file. It's being saved up here in the Downloads area of this computer. And when the download is complete, an arrow will expand. We'll click on the arrow, and here is the installer that we've just downloaded. Notice Norton is telling us that this is safe. Do we want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer? The program is PSPP 084, etc. The publisher is unknown, but we know it's the new project, and it's downloaded from the internet. We'll click yes. Here is the usual information we need before installing. Most of us don't read this. We probably should, but since I've read it and I know it's cool, we're going to click next. We're going to install the program on the C drive in the Program Files folder in a folder called PSPP. Here goes the installation. The installation is completed. We can close this window. We can also close the browser now. We're back to the control panel screen. We can close it, and notice that here we've downloaded the PSPP program as well as the manual. This is a set of instructions we may need as we use the program to analyze data. This video has taken about 7 minutes, but that included my explanation of finding out if the computer is a 32-bit or 64-bit machine. You can probably download and install PSPP in under 4 minutes. That concludes this video. We will follow this up with a video comparing the look and feel of PSPP with that of SPSS. Thank you.